You don't always need the best looking buildings in order to get the best looking photos. Sometimes all you need is something a bit eye-catching in the frame to draw your attention. And here I really like these yellow horizontal stripes on the steps. They really lead you into the building behind it. But if I take a picture from this position here, I've got all the elements in place. I've got the steps, I've got the railing here and the building behind it, a bit of sky and the trees. Everything is there, but it's just not really working as a whole. I think, however, by exploring different positions and angles, you can actually very easily get a much better looking picture. So from here, I've got the whole of the railing in the frame, and I've positioned it right in the middle. There's some really nice symmetry on the left and right, and by angling the camera up and down you can also see how the steps are almost acting as arrows or chevrons. They lead your eye into the frame. I quite like the way that this looks, but I no longer have the building in the background. So again, I think by exploring this scene a bit more we can get a better overall picture. By moving just a little bit to the side, I've been able to reposition this railing so it now moves from the lower left corner to the upper right side, and that's drawing your eye into the picture. So I like the way the railing is working for me. Again, these yellow lines on the steps are leading you upwards towards the building, but by keeping the camera absolutely square and level, I've kept these lines nice and vertical. If I was angled upwards, those lines would be pointing inwards and I'd have too much sky. But by keeping it absolutely straight, I've avoided any of the plain looking sky and I've got everything looking exactly how I want it. So I'm pretty pleased with the way that this composition is looking, but let's review the pictures I've taken and see which ones look best. This picture was taken when I first noticed the building and in particular the yellow steps. And I've got all the elements here. I've got the steps, I've got the railing which leads your eye up to this area and the building itself. But there's something about the composition and the lines, it's just not very well positioned and it's not working for me. I think I can do better than that. For this shot, I repositioned myself in order to see all of the railings, so they're no longer cut off in this shot, but also they're positioned right in the middle, and this is allowing some really nice symmetry. Notice how the yellow lines on these steps are still working like chevrons or almost like arrow points leading you either in or out of the picture. I quite like the way it looks. It's got quite attractive geometry, but we don't have the building in the background, and I think that extra element will just give it some more. In this example, I've moved a little bit to the side, so now I've still got the whole railing, but it's now running diagonally from the lower left to the upper right portion of the picture, and both the railing and these steps are still leading your eye up to this portion here. But by keeping the camera nice and square to the building, notice how the lines here are remaining vertical, which is how I want them to look. If I was angling more upwards, they would begin to converge diagonally inwards, and I don't really like that effect. Plus, you'd also see a bit of overcast sky at the top, which I also don't need. So I like that there is no sky, there is no distraction, you're just looking at the geometry of the building and this nice railing leading you up to it.